Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create social media content in less than 2 minutes. Enjoy! Hello everybody, my name is Micaela and I am so excited to bring you this tutorial. I'm pretty sure you have seen this around the internet, but I just wanted to share it to you, how to create content literally in 2 minutes. For your business. It can be for any type of business. In my case, I am in the skincare business, beauty business. You are going to go, first of all, you're going to create an account at chat.openai.com. So you're going to create, and this is going to come out, okay? So we're going to do a new chat, which this is amazing. So my new chat, I'm going to let him know. Let's do 7. Okay, I'm going to let him know. Give me 7 reels ideas for skincare, 1 column with CTA to motivate people to comment, and 1 column with relevant hashtags. So easy as that. You're just gonna let him know, let the system know what you want to actually create. Okay, so in my case, I want to create 7 reels. It can be for Instagram, it can be for Facebook, it can be either a TikTok, and I'm letting him know that I want 1 column with CTA, call to action for people to motivate them to comment, and I want 1 column with relevant hashtags. So we're just going to press enter, and he's going to do his job. So we're just going to wait a couple seconds here, and it's actually thinking for us, and it's coming. There you go. Okay, so basically it's going to give us what we asked for. And it's super simple, guys. You're gonna love this, okay? Here we go. The number 1 is your skincare routine. Show your daily skincare routine and explain the benefits of each product you use. The call to action, it's what's your to-go skincare products? Comment below. And here's your hashtags. The number 2 idea will be DIY skincare. Teach your followers how to make their own natural skincare products at home. And then you have the CTA. Guys, this is unbelievable. It is so easy for us to actually create posts nowadays, be a creator. This is amazing, like mind-blowing. I found this chat open IA, whatever, and I freaking love it, guy. I'm like obsessed with this. So if you have no idea what to create, look at this, guys. It's making it for you. It's just for you. So you can keep on asking any type of questions, any type of ideas that you have. Ask him to give you 10 tips on glowy skin. Okay, so whenever they give us those 10 tips, we can implement those 10 tips in an Instagram post or a Facebook post. It can be about anything, guys. You guys can use this for anything. It doesn't have to be necessarily for skincare. It can be for anything that your company actually, there you go. It can be for anything that your company sells, or it can be anything from your own platform, whatever you're blogging about or whatever. But this is very freaking cool. I just thought it's so smart to ask this little guy, and it gives you all these information in less than 2 minutes. You have your 7-day or your 10-day or even your month worth of posting on social media. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below if you actually like these type of videos. I can actually make more for you. So I hope you liked it. Bye.